Welcome to Sri Chaitanya online classes. Now physics class is going to take place. Next chemistry. See here. I have written 6 problems on the board. Yesterday we discussed the mirror formula. On that concept, today we are going to discuss the problems on mirror formula. Already 6 problems are written on the board. Before going to the problems, let me explain one more concept. Graph 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. Mirror formula. F is the focal length of the mirror. U is the object distance. V is the image distance. Image distance is applicable both for the concave mirror and the convex mirror. Convex mirror. Now we will discuss about graphs. From the graph, how to calculate the focal length of the mirror. A graph is to be drawn by taking the object distance along the x-axis and image distance value along the y-axis. Let's a graph is drawn by taking object distance values along the x-axis, image distance value along the y-axis. U is the object distance, V is the image distance. The nature of the graph is a rectangular hyperbola in the case of concave mirror and the convex mirror. Rectangular hyperbola, nature of the graph. So from the graph, we have to calculate the focal length of the mirror. It is there in the practical examinations also. Practical examination also. Let us draw an perpendicular line from the origin onto the graph. Onto the graph, a perpendicular bisector from the origin. Let it intersect the curve at point P. Point P. We want to know the coordinates of P. This angle automatically 45 degrees. Why 45 degrees? Angle between x-axis and the y-axis is 90. Bisector. So it will divide the total angle into 2 equal parts. So 45 and 45. 45. Drop a perpendicular line onto the x-axis from the point P. Drop a perpendicular line onto the y-axis from the point P. From the point P, calculate the slope. I want to find out the coordinates of point P, x, y. How to identify? We have to draw a perpendicular bisector from the origin to the point P. That line makes an angle 45 degrees with x-axis, 45 degrees with the y-axis. Drop the perpendicular lines from the point P onto the x-axis. Let us consider this point as A. Drop a perpendicular line onto the y-axis from the point P. Let us consider that point is B. Our intention to find out the focal length of the mirror from the graph. From the graph. So this is OA and this is the OB. OA, object distance. OB, image distance at the point P. Write down tan theta. Slope.
So tan theta is equal to OA by, that is OB divided by OA. OB by OA, because PA is nothing but OB divided by OA, opposite by adjacent side. What is the angle here? 45. Tan 45. Tan 45 is equal to V by U. OB is nothing but image distance. OA is nothing but object distance. V divided by U. Tan 45 value 1. 1 is equal to V divided by U. So V is equal to U. Object distance is equal to image distance. At what point the object distance is equal to image distance? Yesterday we discussed about table, object position, image position, nature of the image. When the object is kept exactly at the center of curvature, the image will also form at the center of curvature. If V is equal to U means object distance is equal to image distance. In which position object distance is equal to image distance? When the object is kept at the center of curvature. Center of curvature means P to C. That is nothing but R. R is nothing but 2F. 2F. So U value is equal to 2F. V value is also equal to 2F. Object distance is 2F. Image distance is 2F. Then what are the coordinates of point P? The coordinates of point P is x comma y. X comma y. What is the U value? 2F. 2F. What is the V value? 2F. Therefore, the coordinates of point P is 2F comma 2F. That means OA value is equal to 2F. OB value is equal to 2F. OA means object distance. OB means image distance. One of the important graphs, both for theory, practicals, and also for the competitive examinations. Graph between what and what? U and V. Object distance and image distance. Once go through. Along the x-axis, we took object distance. Along the y-axis, we took the image distance. The nature of the graph, rectangular hyperbola. Draw a perpendicular bisector from the point O onto the obtained curve. Let it intersect at point P. Point P. If I know the coordinates of point P, easy for me to calculate the focal length of the given mirror by using UV graph methods. From the point P, drop a perpendicular line onto the x-axis. It will intersect at point P, A. From the point P, drop a perpendicular line onto the y-axis. It will intersect at point B. Coordinates of point P, x comma y. X comma y. How to calculate the values of x and y? X value is equal to 2F. Y value is equal to 2F. How I got that value? This angle is 45. Write down tan theta. Tan theta is equal to OB by OA. Opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side PA. PA is nothing but OB. Same size. adjacent side OA, OB by OA, OB image distance, OA object distance, tan 45, angle is 45, tan 45 value 1. So 1 is equal to V by U. V is equal to U means object distance from the pole of the mirror is equal to image distance from the pole of the mirror. Once go through the table, object and image position table. The day before the day we discussed. When the object is kept at the center of curvature, the image will be formed at the center of curvature. In that case only, object distance is equal to image distance. In all other positions, as the object distance decreases, image distance increases. So therefore, U value must be equal to 2f and V value must be equal to 2f when the object is at center of curvature. So P coordinates 2f comma 2f means OA value is 2f, OB value is also equal to 2f. Now from this we can calculate the focal length of the mirror. From these values we can calculate the focal length of the mirror. From the graph it is very clear that OA plus OB is equal to 2f plus 2f. 2f plus 2f is equal to 4f. So f is equal to OA plus OB divided by 4. By using this formula, we can calculate the focal length of the mirror from the UV graph method. UV graph method. Easily we can calculate OA value and OB value. Divide by 4. We will get the focal length of the mirror. Take down this concept, UV graph. We will go to the next graph, 1 by U, 1 by V graph to calculate the focal length of the given mirror. The mirror may be convex or the mirror may be concave mirror. It is applicable for both mirrors. Both mirrors. Now, let us go to 1 by U, 1 by V graph. What will be the nature of the graph? How the graph will come? From the graph, how can you calculate the focal length? Focal length. Now, what is taken along the x-axis? 1 by U values. What is taken along the y-axis? 1 by V values along the x-axis, y-axis. Along x, 1 by U values. Along y, 1 by V values. What will be the nature of the graph? The nature of the graph is an inclined straight line with negative slope. Inclined straight line with negative slope. Negative slope means the angle made by the given line with the x-axis is obtuse angle greater than 90 and less than 180. Slope negative means what? It is a straight line, no doubt. But the slope of the straight line is negative. Negative means the angle made by the obtained line with the x-axis is obtuse angle greater than 90, less than 180. 180. We have to calculate the focal length by using this graph. Extend this graph. Extend. It will intersect the x-axis at point A, imagine. Extend towards the y-axis. y-axis, it will intersect at point B. At point B. Find the coordinates of A. Find the coordinates of B. Then easily we can calculate the focal length from 1 by U, 1 by V graph. What are the coordinates of A? So if the point is lying along the x-axis, y coordinate is equal to 0. The coordinates of A, x comma 0. The coordinates of B, the point is lying along the y-axis. If it is lying along the y-axis, then what is the x coordinate? X coordinate is 0. Coordinates of A, x comma 0. The coordinates of B, 0 comma y. 0 comma y. Now take the standard equation, mirror formula. 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. First I will apply for this point A. What is the y value? Y value is 0. What is taken along the y-axis? Along the y-axis, 1 by v value is taken as 0. 1 by v value is taken. Put 1 by v value 0. I am applying for this point. What is y value? 0. What is y? Y is nothing but 1 by v. Put 1 by v 0. Then 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. 1 by u is nothing but what? X. X. Therefore, x is equal to 1 by f. Substitute here. What is the x value? 1 by f. What is the y value? 0. Therefore, what are the coordinates of A? The coordinates of A are 1 by f comma 0. 1 by f comma 0. Now, apply this formula to this point. To this point. In order to find out B, coordinates of B, 0 comma y. 0 means x value, 0. Substitute in this formula. What is taken along the x-axis? Along the x-axis. Along the x-axis, 1 by u is taken. Substitute 0. So 0 plus 1 by v is equal to 1 by f. But 1 by v taken along what axis? Y-axis. So y coordinate is 1 by f. X coordinate is how much? 0. 0. Substitute here. Therefore, the coordinates of point B are 0 comma 1 by f. 0 comma 1 by f. First of all, what is taken along the x-axis? 1 by u values. What is taken along the y-axis? 1 by v values. Nature of the graph, inclined straight line with negative slope. Inclined straight line with negative slope. What is meant by negative slope? The angle made with the x-axis is greater than 90. Then the slope is said to be negative. Slope positive means the angle made by the given line with x-axis is less than 90. In physics, many times it will be useful in many chapters. Slope positive, slope negative of a straight line. Slope positive, angle made by the straight line with the x-axis less than 90. Slope negative, angle made by the straight line with the x-axis greater than 90. Slope is negative. And extend the line. On the x-axis, it will intersect at point A. On the y-axis, it will intersect at point B. What are the coordinates of A? X, 0. Along the x-axis, y coordinate is 0. Along the y-axis, x coordinate is 0. Find the coordinates of A and find the coordinates of B by substituting in the main formula, mirror formula. 1 by F is equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U. Then we will get A coordinates 1 by F, 0. B coordinates 0, 1 by F. Means what? What is the value of OA? OA value is equal to 1 by F from here to here. X coordinate. What is the value of OB? OB value is equal to from here to here. That is equal to 1 by F. OA value is 1 by F. OB value is also 1 by F. Then add both of them. Then we will get the answer. OA plus OB is equal to 1 by F plus 1 by F. 1 by F plus 1 by F is equal to 2 by F. OA value 1 by F, OB value 1 by F. 1 by F plus 1 by F, 2 by F. Then F is equal to 2 divided by OA plus OB. By using 1 by U, 1 by V graph, how to calculate the focal length of the mirror? F is equal to 2 divided by OA plus OB. This is another graph drawn between 1 by U values and 1 by V values in case of mirror formula. Mirror formula. Come on, take the screenshots or write down the notes quickly. We will go to some problems. Tomorrow, Sunday exam. Everyone should attempt. Don't miss the exams. Now, let us move on to the problems on mirror formula. Problems on mirror formula. I think yesterday clearly written, explained. 1 by F is equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U, first formula. Second one, F is equal to UV by U plus V. Third one, V is equal to F into U by U minus F. Fourth one, V is equal to F into or U is equal to F into V by V minus F. Only three things are to be calculated. Right hand side quantities given in the problem. Left hand side quantity we have to calculate. First magnitude. Then we will discuss about nature. Nature of the image. Whether inverted image, erect image, real image, virtual image. First take down the problem. First problem. Already given in the box. First problem. There is a concave mirror. Concave mirror. In front of the concave mirror, an object is kept at a distance of 15 centimeters. And the focal length, radius of curvature of that mirror is 24 centimeters. F bar R. F means focal length. R means radius of curvature. Any one will be given. You are asked to calculate V value, the position of the image, and also the nature of the image. Nature. Simple diagram. Concave mirror. This is the concave mirror. pole of the mirror, principal axis, principal focus, center of curvature. Now R value given. What is the radius of curvature? Radius of curvature is 24 centimeters. I am doing problem number 1. If R is equal to 24 centimeters, immediately calculate F, because we know the formulas in F. R is equal to 2F. F is equal to R by 2. 24 by 2. That is equal to 12 centimeters. Focal length of the mirror, I calculated. U value, object, kept in front of the mirror at a distance of 15 centimeters. Somewhere here. Object, distance 15 centimeters. We have to find position of the image and also nature of the image. Nature of the image. Just substitute in this formula. That's all. First, sign convection. For a concave mirror, F value negative -12, because light rays will fall like this. We are measuring the distances opposite to the direction of the light ray. So minus F value -12 centimeters. U value -15 centimeters, because P to object, light ray in this direction, measuring opposite, so minus. Substitute in this formula. So V is equal to F value -12 into U value -15 by U value -15 and F value -12. Already minus is there here. Minus into minus becomes plus 12. Numerator V is equal to minus into minus, already plus 12 into 15 as it is. 15 minus 12, 3 with minus sign. With the minus sign. So 3 1 ja, 3 4 ja, 4 into 15, that is equal to 60. So position of the image minus 60 centimeters. Minus 60 centimeters means somewhere here. This is the image. At what distance? 60. This is V value. Object and image are on the same side. Image is formed in front of the mirror. So real image and inverted image. Nature. If object and image are on the same side, in front, nature of the image, real image and inverted image. Over problem. U value given, R value given, nature of the mirror given in the first problem, concave mirror, R value 24, we calculated F value 12, but sign convection for concave, F value negative, U value for real objects negative. Substitute in the formula, minus 12 into minus 15 by minus 15 plus 12. We will get the answer minus 60 centimeters. What does that minus represent? Minus represents the image is formed Here this is the pole. So towards the left side of the pole. Image. Pole is considered as origin. Origin. So the position of the image at a distance of 60 centimeters from the pole. Nature of the image. Object and image are in front of the mirror. In front of the mirror, real. Behind the mirror, virtual. Remember this one. If the image is formed in front of the mirror, real. Behind the mirror, virtual. Erect image. Erect image. Now, going for the second problem. Second problem. How to approach. If you have completed first, go to second, third. Second problem, if you are able to do. Otherwise, wait. Concave. Object is kept in front of the mirror. Object distance 45 centimeters. Radius of curvature 30 centimeters. 30 centimeters. Draw the simple diagram. Problem number 2. Concave mirror. Pole. Principal axis. Principal focus. Center of curvature. R value minus 30. Why minus? This is concave. F value R by 2 minus 15. U value already given. How much? Minus 45. Object is here. Object is here. 45 centimeters from the pole. From the pole. Substitute in this formula. Get the value of position of image. So V is equal to Fu by U minus F. F value minus 15 into U value minus 45 by U value minus 45 minus is there, F value minus 15, minus into minus becomes plus 15. Then V is equal to minus into minus already plus 15 into 45 by 30 with minus sign. With the minus sign. 15 1 ja, 15 2 ja. 45 by 2. With what sign? Minus. Minus. 22.5. 22.5 if you want. Centimeters. What is the nature? Nature of the image. That is also important. Where is this one? Minus. Minus means here it will be formed. Image 22.5 centimeters. So object and image are on the same side. Image is formed in front of the mirror. In front. So real image and inverted image. Real image and inverted image. Problem number 2 on mirror. Problem number 2 on mirror. Let us go to the third problem. Slightly you must be quick. Problem number 3. I think I have given the same data, but I have changed the nature of the lens. If you observe problem 3, in front, object 45, 45, R30, R30. But I changed the concave to what? Convex. Only 2 mirrors. So this is convex. Principal axis, pole, principal focus, center of curvature. So R value 30 plus 30 only. F value plus 15. Sir, how can you write plus? See the direction of light and the measurement distance. Light is falling onto the mirror in this direction, P to C, P to F, in the direction of light ray. So plus only. R value plus 30, F value plus 15. But object is kept where? Object in front of the mirror, 45 centimeters. So here, reflecting surface. So object 45 centimeters. So U value 45 centimeters. But light ray is traveling like this onto the mirror. P to object, opposite direction. So minus 45. Minus 45. Substitute in the given formula. That is what? V is equal to F into U by U minus F. What is F value? 15 into what is U value? Minus 45 by what is U value? Minus 45 minus 45 minus F value plus 15 minus into plus minus only minus 15 minus 15. This comes out to be minus 15 into 45 by minus 60. 45 plus 15, 60. With what sign? Minus sign. Minus minus cancels. 15 1 ja, 15 4 ja. That comes out to be 45 by 4. With what sign? Plus sign. This is my answer. V is equal to plus 45 by 4. 11 4 ja, 44. 11 point something. If you want in decimals. So plus sign. Look at the image. Plus. Plus means what? This is the pole. Image will be somewhere here. Somewhere here. 11. Somewhere here. This is image. Image. Now image is formed in front of the mirror or behind the mirror? Behind the mirror. If the image is formed behind the mirror, what is the nature? Virtual image. Virtual. Erect image. Virtual image. Erect image will be formed. Erect image will be formed. Problem number 3. Problems on mirrors. First one completed. Second one completed. Third one completed. Sometimes we got real image. In this problem, I got virtual image. How to identify real or virtual? Based on the sign of V. If it is negative, it will be behind P. Behind P. If it is plus, in front of P. In front of P. Then, if it is on the polished side, virtual image. If it is on the reflecting side, real image. Don't get confused. Now, going to the fourth problem. Problem number 4. On mirror. Problem number 4. On mirror. What is this mirror? 4. Convex. Convex mirror. The object is kept in front of the mirror. Focal length is given directly 12 centimeters. 12. Object distance 15 centimeters. Small diagram. If you practice, no need to draw the diagram also. Fourth one. Now I will try to write the problem without a diagram. Convex. Convex means F value positive plus 12. Convex mirror, F value positive, R value positive. Object distance is given. Where it is kept, in front or behind? In front. In front means behind the pole, means minus 15 centimeters. Calculate the position of the image. Position of the image. This formula only. So V is equal to F value 12 into minus 15 by U value minus 15. Minus 15. This is minus into plus, minus only, minus, that is 12. This comes out to be minus 15 into 12 by minus 27. Minus cancels. So V is equal to 15 into 12 by 27. 3 5s are 3 9s are 3 5s are 3 9s are 5 into 12 divided by 9. Once again 3 4s are 3 3s are. So V is equal to 5 into 4 by 3. 5 into 4 by 3. 5 4s 20 by 3. Nearly 7. 3 7s are 21. 6 point something. 6.9. Whether V is positive or negative? Positive. Positive means where it will form? In front of P. P. Therefore, nature of the image. Nature. Virtual. Erect image. Virtual and also erect image. Remember one point. Always the convex mirror forms virtual image, erect image, concave. The image formed by the concave may be real, may be virtual, depending upon the position of the object. Position of the object. Problem number 4 over. Now let us consider problem number 5. Problem 5. Problem 5. So if we see the table properly, nature of the image I don't know, nature of the mirror, whether it is convex or concave, I have to identify. And also here, I don't know the focal length also. You are asked to calculate the focal length or radius of curvature along with nature of the lens. Means what? Either concave or convex. Convex. But U and V values are given. U value 30. U value. V value 60. Both are formed in front of the mirror. In front of the mirror. So U is equal to minus 30. V is equal to minus 60. In front. U is also minus 30. V minus 60. Both are behind the pole. Whether it is convex or concave, I don't know. Substitute in this formula. So F is equal to minus 30 into minus 60 by U value minus 30, V value minus 60. This comes out to be minus 30 into minus becomes plus 30 into 60 by minus 90. That is equal to F minus 30 into 60 by 90. 31s, 33s. That is equal to minus 60 by 3. F is equal to minus 20 centimeters. So focal length of this mirror is 20 centimeters. 20. Then what is the nature? Already discussed number of times. If I got F value negative, it is concave. F value positive, it is convex. Convex. So what is the mirror? Mirror is concave mirror of focal length 20 centimeters, radius of curvature 40 centimeters. Focal length 20 centimeters. R is equal to 2F. If R is equal to 2F, that is equal to 40 centimeters. Nature of the lens, concave. Fifth one over. I think you can do this one. Convex mirror. For convex mirror, F value, negative or positive? Positive. Kept behind, not in front. So this becomes the positive, U plus. Try this problem, solve this problem. Have a good day. Once again, we will meet in the next class.